Hello, and welcome. In this video, we're focusing on how hosts, landlords, and agents can improve their property listings on PropatyHub. A high-quality listing isn't just about filling in the basics. It's about making your property stand out and giving seekers enough information to feel confident. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the listing quality guidance, how to interpret it, and the specific actions you can take to raise your listing's quality score. Accessing your listings. From your host dashboard, go to Listings. This page shows all of your properties in a table with statuses like Draft, Submitted, or Live. Each row includes buttons to edit or submit. Draft listings cannot be seen by seekers until you submit them. Opening the listing editor. To improve a draft listing, click Edit on the relevant row. The listing editor opens at Step 1, Basics. At the top, you'll see a progress bar with tabs for Basics, Details, Photos, Preview, and Submit. You can't jump ahead until you've completed the required fields in the current step. Reviewing the quality guidance. On the right-hand side of the form, you'll notice a card titled Improve Your Listing. This card gives you quick suggestions, for example. Add more than 6 high-quality photos. Expand your description to tell a fuller story. Provide a clear and specific location. Include the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Make sure your price and currency are accurate. These tips are tailored to the current step, so if you're on Basics, the card will remind you to pin a location and set bedrooms and bathrooms. The goal is to highlight the most impactful improvements first. Filling required fields. Work through the Basics form carefully. Give your listing a clear title, select the correct listing intent and property type, set your price and currency, and choose the available from date. When you reach the location section, use the search field to pin a specific area and make sure the country, state, city, and neighborhood fields are accurate. Include the postcode or LGA if possible. This improves search relevance and signals professionalism. At the bottom, set the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. These fields feed directly into the quality score. Expanding your description and features. On the Details tab, use the description box to paint a picture of the property. Don't just list facts. Describe the layout, unique features, and what makes it desirable. PropatyHub's quality guide recommends a minimum length and suggests answering common questions. List all amenities and select an EPC rating and council tax band if applicable. Uploading quality photos. In the Photos step, upload a minimum of 3 bright, landscape-oriented images. The quality card on the right will remind you to choose a strong cover photo and avoid blurry or dark shots. You can add more images or a video for extra impact. Remember, photos are one of the biggest drivers of listing quality. Preview and submit. When you reach the preview step, review how your listing will appear to seekers. If any fields are missing, you'll see checklist reminders. Use the back button to return and fix those areas. Finally, go to Submit. Here you'll see a final listing quality score and the best next fix suggestions. These will call out remaining tasks like adding a postcode, refining your description, or increasing photo count. When you're satisfied, click Submit for approval. Your listing will be reviewed by admins and, once approved, go live. Improving your listing quality on PropatyHub is about providing complete, accurate information and high-quality visuals. By following the guidance in the editor, you can make your property more appealing to seekers and increase your chances of inquiries. Take the time to add detail, choose great photos, and pay attention to the quality card. It's there to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your listings.